I've noticed that I feel a lot more free. Like I'm not having to hide anymore, like just behind a hat or feeling that fear of judgment, but actually just also walking around in public, feeling confident and actually feeling like a very handsome man. I've been dealing with hair loss for about 8 years now. It started when I was 19 and I'm 27 right now. Initially it was just the temples and I thought it was because I was in school and I was stressed that was the reason. But it became very noticeable when I was about 22 and it was pretty devastating. Socially, it's impacted my life very significantly. I feel that I can't really leave the house or go anywhere without wearing a hat. I think psychologically I've just become attached to it. It is holding me back from just being truly confident at this stage of my life. I was a little worried what people would think at first, especially strangers. When I was bald and I would take my hat off to, just for whatever reason, I would notice people's eyes looking up at my hairline a little bit more, because there's that element of mystery when you're wearing a hat. But when I've been out in public and I'm not wearing a hat and I just, have my hair out, I've noticed that people haven't been looking up. And I can only assume that just means everything looks natural and they don't have a reason to inspect it. And that's been very freeing and it feels so good.